it's Sun from LA Plans, and today I will be sharing the Erin Condren Sticker Club stickers for fall. I am very excited to open these. So, full disclaimer, I've already seen what's inside. My package came a little bit late. I saw a lot of people already got theirs, but I still figured I'd do a video and share this because I love fall and I love these types of videos. So I'm gonna open mine up and share an up-close look of everything that comes in this Sticker Club set. Okay, so you do receive this little card, and so it has a brief overview that I'm going to reference as I share. So let's start with the 3 exclusive seasonal and inspirational washi sticker sheets and the 3 exclusive functional paper sticker sheets. So they kind of design them for each month. So here's the one more tailored for October. I love this. These are so cute. So you have pumpkins and all things Halloween on here. I'm honestly not a huge fan of the designs they came out with for sticker sheets and for interchangeable covers this year. But I do love these. I'm so happy that they have these. But these are a silver metallic, and then you get a full functional and illustrative sheet. And they're very like fall and Halloween colors. And then here are the ones more tailored for November. And these are definitely more fall colors. Definitely tailored more towards Thanksgiving. And I just love the color scheme that they have on all of these. And then here are the ones for December, and these are obviously for holidays. You have stockings, you have just different types of holidays on here, and you get a really pretty red, green, and pink theme. And I just think these are so pretty, and these are a rose gold metallic. All right, and then next up is this 2 exclusive foiled gift label sheet. So this comes with 18 labels and a really cute cover. So this quarter's theme is definitely Halloween and holidays, so it makes sense that they included gift labels. So we have these. Let me take these out so y'all can see. All right, so you just get a variety of gift labels. And then there is the first exclusive and first ever sticky notepad. So I'm actually really interested in this. So this says it's an Ombre sticky notepad page marker. So you have the Ombre notepad design, and then this has, and then you have your notes. And so you have this little page marker so that you can put this in your planner. So let me actually grab mine. So you can easily mark this or use it in a textbook. This is probably great for students. But you just have it here, and then you can mark where you're at, and then you also have notepads. I think this would be really great for textbooks, so you can write notes and have just a notepad on the go, but this is really cool. And these are sticky notes, so you have all of that sticks, so you can stick it literally anywhere, and then you have this to just move around and mark where you're at. So we have this, and then the last item is the first exclusive and first ever clear glitter filled sticker. And so on here it says it is a shaker sticker, so if you shake it, it moves around. This looks like something that you would put like on your laptop or your phone case. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I might include it in a giveaway. I don't really need it. It is really cute though, so I might put it somewhere. But that is everything that comes in this box, and I love these stickers. I can't wait to use these. So I have a new memory planner that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to share next week, and I'm really excited to share that with y'all. But I can't wait to use these in here because I just love these stickers so much. These I could honestly do without, but I mainly subscribe to get these, and I just love them so much. So I really love how they, how different these are from last year's, and how they do the functional and the decorative stickers. But other than that, that is everything that comes in the Sticker Club set this quarter, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.